What is up, guys? So I just want to do a quick little intro to this video since it is a shorter one. Unfortunately, there is only one fish showcased in this video because what we did since I started my job, I missed most of the Chinook season, so there's one salmon on my mind besides Chinook that I really wanted to get into, and that was chum. And in Oregon, we just finished up our quick 2-week chum run, and so I was able to get one day in, like a couple days before it ended. And luckily, we've had no rain, so the fish season was pretty crappy, but the day before we went, we got a little bit of rain. It was able to push some fresher fish and more fish into this creek system, and we were able to get a 15 fish day each. I'm pretty sure it was a lot of fish. It was incredible, one of the best days I've had in a long time. Very, very unique experience and something I probably won't forget. So huge shout out to Jackson, Mr. Action Jackson, for taking me out and showing me these fish, because that was a frickin' killer day. But like I said, there's only one fish because the first spot we fished was private property and we weren't allowed to film, which I understand. Don't want to bring a lot of traffic there just in case people kind of know where it is. So we didn't film there. We got a good majority of fish there, and we found another spot later in the day and we fished there. Caught about 5 and then came back later, and I was like, alright, I want to try to get one on video. And unfortunately the bite kind of slowed, and I was able to get, I hooked up once and then I only caught one, so that's what you're seeing in this video. So even though it's one fish, it's still a really cool fish, and it was a pretty good one. So it's not an amazing video, it was just kind of quick slap together GoPro, but it's a fish, and I just wanted to show what these guys are like. Real quick, I want to talk about what we were using. We were floating beads. They're 12 millimeter beads, just like you would for steelhead. We caught quite a few on those, and then we switched to a drift rig with like a corky and a little piece of yarn, something that was a little lower in the water column, and they were killing that after a while. So that is what you're going to see me catch here, because I didn't talk too much. Like I said, I was going in thinking I wasn't going to film at all, and then I was like, alright, I might get one. So it's nothing crazy. With all that being said, if you guys next year want to do that, it is a really fun run. I recommend it. Look in the regulations. You cannot keep them, and you don't want to anyway, because they're kind of gross to eat, I've heard. So they are a fun and really cool looking catch and release fish, and it is a big bucket list fish for me, and I'm really glad I got to do this. So again, big shout out to Jackson. Without further ado, enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit like, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much. See ya. Alright guys, here's a couple salmon right here. So I'm using this little drift rig. Got a little weight up there. Hook with egg loop knot, some yarn, and a corky to keep it up. I'm just drifting in front of these guys. Hoping they're going to be aggressive. Holy shit, here comes a big push. There we go. Damn it. Son of a bitch. I thought I still saw it, but then my line started running back. Oh, no. Yeah, I think that was a leaf I was looking at. Damn. There you go. Oh. Did it break?
Yeah.
There we go. Wow, that felt like a fish. Oh. I saw him eat it. I felt, that was crazy. Oh! Holy shit, you see that? No. He opened his mouth and got the whole side of that fish in his mouth.
Yeah?
Yep.
Chop.
Sick. Got a nice drift in it. Chomped it right when it was going by. She looks like a stinky. Or he looks like a stinky. It looks
stinky.
I don't know how long you want to hold on to it.
Here, switch. Oh, never mind.
There we go. Chum salmon.
Ready?
Yep. Hell yeah. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. That was an amazing trip. I hope you enjoyed that little tiny catch. Not tiny, but tiny as in film time. Like I said, if you weren't subscribed to this channel and you're new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. Help me. We're almost to 2K subs. And also hit that like button to get this video out. There's some new YouTube rules being issued that I'm hoping doesn't damage this channel a little bit. Whoop. But we will see. I'm going to start pumping out more videos, but like I said in my last video, new job, all that stuff, it is a hectic time, and I might pick up a second job filming, so we'll see how that goes. But I'll try to get more videos out as soon as I can. I got some interesting things coming up. something with sturgeon and something with crabbing, so I'm trying to get that done. It might be a week or two until I'm able to film those, but with all that being said, be sure to check out my Instagram below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch you and some fish in the next video. Peace on out.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.